Is your Frigidaire dryer operating, yet your clothes are not drying efficiently? Before considering a complete unit replacement, the true source of the problem might be your dryer heat duct. Welcome back to HnKParts, your go-to channel for appliance repair advice and your trusted source for genuine spare parts. Today, we're focusing on how to spot and fix a failing Frigidaire dryer heat duct, explaining why it can fail, how it impacts your dryer's performance, and the steps you can take to resolve the issue. Before beginning any inspection, always ensure your dryer is unplugged for safety. Firstly, the heat duct is a crucial component of your dryer, designed to channel hot air from the heating element directly to the drum. Without proper airflow, the dryer cannot achieve the temperatures needed to dry clothes efficiently. A damaged or blocked duct not only slows drying times, but also forces the heating element to work harder, leading to overheating, increased energy costs, and in extreme cases, fire hazards. This is why the heat duct is essential. It ensures steady airflow, consistent heat, and safe operation. To check the heat duct, remove the back panel of your dryer and locate the duct. Examine it carefully for cracks, blockages, or lint buildup. Even minor obstructions can restrict airflow, making the dryer run less effectively. If you detect damage or heavy buildup, replacement is the most effective solution. Remove the old duct carefully, fit the new one in place, and secure it with clamps, ensuring there are no gaps or loose connections that could allow hot air to escape. Reattach the back panel and confirm that everything is securely fitted. Finally, plug your dryer back in and run a test cycle. You should immediately notice quicker drying times and more consistent heat. Routine maintenance, such as removing lint and inspecting the duct, will help extend your dryer's lifespan and keep it running efficiently. If you still face problems with your dryer, it's time to replace the necessary spares. Shop genuine, cost-effective dryer spare parts at HnKParts.com with same-day shipping and expert support. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more updates. Thanks for watching.